Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up in Facebook. Now you click on your Facebook icon on your screen just like this. After you click on it, it brings you here and you click on create new account. After you click on it, you get started. After then you put your first name. After then you click on next. After clicking on it, put your date of birth. After inputting your date of birth, you set it and click on next. After clicking on it, takes you here and here you put your gender, maybe you're a male or a female. But as for me, I'm choosing male. After then you click on male and click on next. After then you input your phone number here or you sign up with your Gmail, your email. But as for me, I'm signing up with my mobile number. Then put your number. After then click on next. After you click on it, you should put a strong password. After you put it, you click on next. After then you save your login and you agree to the Facebook and policy. After then you wait till it load. After then you save your login. Continue allowing. After then click on continue to allow access to your contact. After then you click on your add friends as I do now. You add friends. After then you click on skip. After then your account is being created and that is it. You now know how to sign up in Facebook. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Success.